Hey, what's up guys? Eric here, back again with another Roblox video. Today we are going to troll as a cop in prison life. So yeah, let's...
Okay, I'm going to start my intro.
Okay.
What is up guys? Today we're going to be playing Prison Life trolling as a cop. With... your name?
Eric!
Yep. Hey, are you in the server yet?
Oh no, not yet. I need to join you.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay.
Prisoner.
Okay.
But, like, first we have to be a criminal.
Yeah. We have to be prisoner and then escape, and then we're gonna be criminal. Yeah.
Risk off guys. Yay, gun! I already got a gun.
Wait, wow, that fast? That fast you got a gun?
Oh, I got a car. I already got a car.
Lucky, where are you? Oh, there you are. The screen's still loading. Oh no, cop, it's still loading. Dude, watch out.
Don't arrest me.
No.
Please.
Dude, someone saved you. Someone saved you.
Follow me.
Alright.
Oh my gosh. I hate the cops that just tease everybody.
I know, I have that too. Ugh. I hate my stuffy nose. Like every time I always have to blow it. My screen's still loading.
Well, that's why my voice is weird.
Oh.
Like, yeah.
My screen is still loading. Rip. Dang, I can't believe we're escaping this fast. I never escaped this fast.
I'm playing on mobile, so I can't sprint.
Oh.
And the reason I'm playing on mobile, I just find it easier.
Oh.
I'm just like playing on mobile more.
Oh.
I can't reset.
I know you have a key card. Why did I bring a police car? I'll go back over there.
I can't drive on mobile, which sucks.
I know.
Like on jailbreak you can,
Yep.
but on prison you can't.
I know, like... I've seen a lot of people in prison life that can't drive. But my question... How are you gonna troll as a cop if you don't change your outfit?
Yeah, I have to change my outfit so you can pick me up.
I am here. Where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oh.
Hello, officer. Wait, is that a real cop or is that you? I can't tell.
That's me.
That's a real cop.
Ah! Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
You couldn't tell the difference.
I know. Dude!
No!
Oh my god! Dude, let's go shoot him in the car. I'll shoot him in the car. Die! I got him. And he dropped a key card.
You gonna get it?
Sure. There it is. Key card! No, the lag! Picked it up. I'm a cop, sir. I'm a nice cop.
Go full throttle. Okay.
I'm helping a person to change your clothes. That's my question. The only way to...
yeah. I can't change my clothes, but...
I know.
No, I guess. I just have to go to the... You have a key card, right?
Yeah, I have a key card. Oh, did you oof? Whoop. Oh!
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace, phasing echo key card. And his key. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
Getting the gun.
Stop right there, sir! I'm a robber police officer, which I wish they had green cars. That would be awesome.
Have what?
I wish they had green cars. Green.
I wish they added like different vehicles.
Yeah, to be honest, yeah. Like Jailbreak had different vehicles.
Jailbreak is a little bit boring.
Yeah, I quitted Jailbreak.
Same.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna have to go back. Dude, cop.
Killed him.
Well, that was easy. Huh.
It's just ambush all the cops. Like, it's fine with cops. Like, they'll never know.
Yep.
Unless they hear a name tag.
Yeah. I'm worried about that. That's what they noticed, the name tag.
But far away, you can't see the name tag.
I know, so they might notice you're a cop. Sir, guys, I'm a cop. Guys, I'm a cop.
Cop.
Oh, dude! Die! You're not kidding!
Do it, fake it.
Oh no! Oh no, dude! Oh, thanks. Thanks, woman. I appreciate it. Dude, your help.
No, I'm gonna
Dude,
die.
someone's killing you. It's a prisoner. Come at me, prisoner. I got him.
No, I'm not coming.
I know. Wait, you're not coming out here. Cop's still here.
They ain't gonna
Dude!
No!
No! How did he come in? Oh, no! Team, and I'm gonna spell noob.
Rested bacon bit.
Yep.
Why are you saying nub if there's two chat?
I don't know.
It's that vehicle ready.
These vehicles glitch. Like every time
What is that wall meant for?
I
And
don't know.
what's the point?
It glitches. It's the garage wall. It glitches.
Hello, Mr. Wolf. Can I come in?
Sir?
No.
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 Don't give it, sir.
You're a little angry.
You can go. Can't give it, sir.
Probably get the car over here.
Alright. That car is glitched. It can like turns. Oh, come on. I'm going forward, and this is what happens. Look, I'm going forward, and it automatically turns around. Why do cars do this? Help! What happened to this car again?
The struggle is real.
Yep. Am I really gonna have to spawn another car? 3, 2, 1. Alright, finally. Sir, give me all your money. Who are your money, sir?
I don't have audio. I forgot to check about audio on the video.
Oh. I already have my audio on.
You ready?
Yep.
Come on in.
This car's glitched again. Why? Alright. Please don't tell me this one's glitched. Please don't tell me this one's glitched. Please. Just go in. Alright. I'm going straight. Alright, good.
Okay.
But the problem is we don't have a key card. Well, we do have Alright, I had to let you on top of the roof over there. I have to let you on top of the roof over there. And then I can glitch through that fence. I can just literally glitch through the fence. 3, 2, 1. Dang it. So to glitch here, you have to go like this. Turn it like this, and then turn your. You can do this on mobile too. like you turn screen like that, and then you face like that, and then you zoom in, and then glitched.
Okay. Let's go kill the cops.
Yeah, because we're bad cops. Have you ever been able to glitch in? I don't have a key card. Where are you going?
Oh, yeah. All officers shall die.
Whoops. My
Where do you
elbow?
shoot at?
I don't know. I was trying to shoot you because you're a cop. Ah!
Who's that? Is that a prisoner?
No, that's a criminal. He believes we're a cop. Hey! Get back here!
We're cop.
He believes it. Dude, he believes it. I don't think he does now because he saw the name tag.
Let's go down.
Alright, wee! Oh, y'all, put your hands up! Huh! 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 Oh, y'all, put your hands up! Die! Die! Let us in! Let's see if I can glitch in here. One time I used to glitch in here. Did this little thingy, but I don't know if it works now. Oh, there's a cop. Whoa.
I've got a trick. I'm a hacker too. Well, what's that supposed to prove? You're a hacker?
I don't know.
Cop will just hate you more.
I'm a hacker too. Yeah, what does that even mean? What? I just a prisoner.
I just see your name tag.
Yeah.
Well, I like, kind of see your name tag. Not really, I don't know.
I can't see.
Is there cops in the car?
Which gun do you think is powerful in the game?
We're just cops, like.
Yeah, which gun do you think is powerful in the game?
Remington?
Yeah, I agree. We're here, cops. We're here to help you. We killed the president's son. Is there no clipper, really? Please don't tell me that guy's a no clipper.
Let me in.
Let me in! I had to push this prisoner. Dude, I can't. I wish I had a way in. I wish I had like a way, like in a tunnel, like. Up! Die! You're not supposed to be.
Cop.
Cop,
Come
yep,
here.
a real cop. I see one.
They changed the cop outfit.
I know. Like, it doesn't match no more, but people still believe it. The jailbreak shirt as a cop, but the pants is like a darkish and the blackish shoes.
They can't be jailbreak because is it jailbreak when I have like a badge?
Dude, I'm getting shot. Dude, no, die! Who goes there? You're not supposed to be out here.
Come here, cop.
Come here, be a man. Come on, be a man. We're cops too. Open up. Tell me something. Open up. Oh, dude, it's cop, real cop. Watch out.
Oh my god.
Ugh.
Well, I'm going to end the video here.
Yep. Should I?
Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and turn on notifications.
Yep. I'm gonna put Phasing Echo's channel link will be down in the description below. So yeah, you should go subscribe to him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.